This is a particularly troublesome spot here. It's where the straps have been wearing as I've been transporting the canoe. And again, every spot where I have straps, something like this has developed. Now I believe the canoe has some sort of surface on it. There's some sort of coating on it to help prevent the oxidation. As you can see, a little bit of oxidation beginning here, whereas here it's just perfectly clear. Okay, so we have a smaller gallon of soap here this time. Just mix up a cap and put in a little gallon, coffee can or whatever. It's not quite pulling that off. So we have a little piece of steel wool here. And there you go. The soap plus the steel wool, the abrasion from the steel wool is pulling it off. But I'm afraid we're just killing the special coating they have on here. So we're sort of scoring that up more than I'd like. And rinse off here with just plain tap water here. So the abrasion definitely got off the gunk. All right, dry. Shouldn't take long to dry in this Alabama heat, right? Okay, the metal polish here. Have a this cloth is shop cloth that I use. Putting a little bit here so you see it runs clear. It runs clear. Probably way too much for that little area, but we're doing this Miyagi style wax on, wax off, right? Yeah, it's way too much. Probably could have cleaned half the canoe with this. Apparently this is a cleanser and apparently a cleanser and a polish all in one. And then you put it on. You apparently can just buff it out. I guess that maybe restores that coating here. As you can see it, there it is getting a little shine to it. I hate that we kind of scored it up though. A little bit drier cloth here, buff it out here. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Yeah, that definitely looks better. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not the kind of guy who's going to be just out here polishing his boat all the time. I'm not the guy. I haven't washed a car in 20 or 30 years. Man, I don't care. But when you're catfishing and you get tons of catfish blood and slime everywhere and you're using really nasty smelling chums and things, wow, your boat can really get nasty. And so to have a boat soap like this is kind of nice, even if it's just, hey, I'm gonna once a year just kind of wash and spray down the boat and get it kind of cleaned up and be done with it. I'm also seriously considering selling my old John boats, and they've got years of gunk built up, and so to have this is really nice. So why would I use this over just some regular dish soap? Well, you'd have to make that decision for yourself. But for me, it's concentrate. I mean, you go through dish soap like this, but this stuff's concentrate, like one capful, just a whole gallon of, you can use it for a whole gallon of water, And it's American made in the USA. So that's a plus as well, right? So you want to help an American company who's trying to provide boat cleaning products for people who want to keep their boats looking good. Now, if you have a nice sailboat or something, I could definitely see something like this, especially on the stainless steel components like that, to get the sea spray and stuff like that off of it. It's good for salt and fresh water. So, and I'll put the links below in the description and probably and in the comment section, so you could check the company out, check out their products on Amazon, things like that. And that, but that's what I think about that.